you need to understand one very important thing, which is that people or investors are moving from one trending project to another. Basically, everyone is trying to be early to the next big project, and of course, to be early in one project, you need to sell your stake in another. And why this matters in this instance is because we actually need to determine if Sphere Finance is the next big trending project. Because as you know, before Sphere Finance came along, Titano was the big thing in the auto-compounding DeFi space. And they managed to do quite good, but as soon as Sphere Finance came along with their new innovative features and all the new shiny mechanics, people started to jump ship. And another concept that's really important to understand to actually make money with these auto-compounding projects is that in reality none of these projects are sustainable, and it's really unlikely that they will ever reach sustainability. And even with Titano's promises of new contract, new exchange, and all the new things that they're promising, that still won't make Titano profitable. Because for a project to be able to pay out such huge amounts of money, there must be influx of cash coming in. That's business 101. And I don't believe a new exchange or a new contract will magically make money appear. But anyways, that's besides the point of the video. All I'm saying is that if people are leaving project that you have a strong conviction in, and if that project promises 100,000 APY, you should probably too start looking for other projects. But anyways, Sphere Finance was down massively the last couple of days, and the question of course is, will the price of this project recover and make a lot of people a lot of money, or is this end of Sphere Finance and will slowly fizzle out into irrelevancy? So first, let's look at the market cap of the project, and currently the market cap of Sphere Finance is close to $130 million. Let's compare that to the one of Titano, which is $142 million. But keep in mind that Titano is down massively, like 70% of market cap just vanished over a couple of hours. So in my opinion, there's real potential in this auto-compounding DeFi space for a project to reach $1 billion market cap. The question is, can Sphere generate enough hype with their new and innovative features to attract thousands of new investors to the project and take over throne from Titano? I think there's a real possibility for that to happen, and what I like to do in regards to see what the current sentiment is of the investors is first check buy and sell volume for last 24 hours. And if we do that, you will see that we have 2,600 buys versus close to 900 sells. So the buys outnumber sells by a huge amount. And what this means is, if you watch my previous videos, if you have dramatically more buys than sells, that means that your average investors are highly interested in the project despite the huge red candles. Because as you know, these huge candles are caused by whales selling and of course causing sell pressure, but the main point is that the huge red candles are caused by whales. And if after these huge dumps we have many thousands of buys coming in for the project, that means that the interest is there, and that just shows me that the project should recover if more whales don't start dumping. Because if these whale dumps reach critical mass, there's high chance that the project won't survive because of the negative price action, which is not attractive for your average investor, who of course looks at the chart, and if it's been going down for a week, it's really unlikely that this person will invest. Because as you know, most investors don't actually buy dips, they buy confirmed uptrends. So in my opinion, if no more whales dump causing the price to plummet even more, we stand a chance to see a reversal of the trend, and quite possibly this project could reach $1 mark, provided that whales keep their bags and don't cause these huge dumps. And in my opinion, the real innovation in the DeFi space will come when a protocol finds out a way to prevent whale dumping. That about wraps up the video. Consider subscribing for more news and updates about DeFi projects. Bye.